Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Ford Mustang. Begin by lightly sketching a large rectangular box for the main body, making it approximately 3 times longer than its height. Then, add a smaller, slightly tapered box on top for the cabin area. Next, draw 4 perfect circles for the wheel arches, ensuring they align with the bottom edge. This foundational step establishes the car's overall stance and proportions, setting you up for success. Now, let's refine the Mustang's distinctive body shape. Connect your initial boxes with smooth, flowing lines, emphasizing the car's muscular contours. Focus on creating that classic long hood and short rear deck profile. Don't forget to add the iconic C-shaped side scoop, a hallmark of the Mustang's design. Gently curve the roofline, ensuring it tapers gracefully towards the rear, giving it that powerful, aerodynamic look. This step brings the car to life. Next, we'll add the Mustang's most recognizable features. Start by drawing the aggressive front grille and the distinctive headlights, often featuring 3 vertical bars. Move to the rear and sketch the iconic triple-bar taillights, a design element present for decades. Don't forget the side mirrors and subtle door lines. Finally, draw the wheels and tires, adding some detail to the rims and a hint of tread for realism. These details truly make it a Mustang. For our final step, let's bring your Mustang drawing to completion. Carefully erase all initial construction lines, leaving only the refined shape. Now, add subtle shading to create depth and volume, paying attention to light sources. Highlight any chrome elements and suggest reflections on the glass for added realism. Use slightly darker lines for the main outlines and to define shadows, making your Mustang pop off the page. You've successfully drawn a classic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.